Good morning, student. I advocate of Adarsh Vidyapith, Shankar Vidyapith, Mount Abu. In last class, we studied about the conversion of one system to another. Now, today we study the relationship between physical quantities. Here we are taking one question. The frequency nu of an oscillating drop may depends upon radius r of the drop, density rho. This sign is the rho, we denote the density rho of the liquid, and surface tension S of the liquid. We have to establish the relation between frequency, radius, density and surface tension. So first we write what the question says. Frequency of the oscillating may depends upon. Frequency depends upon. Student mind it. Frequency depends upon radius, density and surface tension. That means frequency is directly proportional to the radius, density and surface tension. We have put the power A, R to the power A, rho to the power B and surface tension S to the power C. When we remove the proportionality sign, we must write a constant. Then nu is the frequency of the oscillating drop. Nu equal to K R to the power A, rho to the power B, surface tension S to the power C. First we have to write the dimension. Frequency nu 1 upon time, that is m0 l0 t minus 1. Radius m0 l1 t0. Density mass upon volume, that means m1 upon volume and l to the power 3 power minus 3 t0. Surface tension m1 l0 t minus 2. We already study about how to find the surface dimension of the physical quantity. Now we must put the values of this dimension into our formula. Nu t to the power minus 1, k r to the power a. R means radius. Write the dimension of radius. m0 l1 t0. Here m0 and both are 0, so simply we can write l1 to the power a. Density rho m1 l minus 3 t0. That's why I am writing m1 l minus 3 power b. Surface tension m1 l0 t minus 2. So simply we can write m1 t minus 2 power c. And solid t to the power minus 1, k l to the power a, m1 l minus 3 to the power b. So we write that m to the power b, l to the power minus 3b. Here m to the power m1 t minus 2. So must write m to the power c, t to the power minus 2c. Here base are same, then power be added. So student m to the power b, m to the power c. So m to the power b plus c. Base are same, then power be added. L to the power a, L to the power minus 3b. So L to the power a minus 3b and t to the power minus 2c. Here t to the power minus 1, you can simply write m0 l0 t minus 1. Equating the powers from LHS and RHS. M to the power b plus c. Here m to the power 0. So b plus c equal to 0. L to the power a minus 3b. Here L to the power 0. So a minus 3b equal to 0. T to the power minus 2c. Here t to the power minus 1. So minus 2c equal to minus 1. From these three equations, we can find the value of a, b and c. So from last equation, minus 2c equal to 1, we can find easily value of c equal to 1 by 2. Put the value of c in equation first, b plus c equal to 0. Then find the value of b equal to minus 1 by 2. And put the value of B in this equation, we can find the value of A equal to minus 3 by 2. Putting the value of A, B, C in our first equation, nu equal to K, R to the power A here, so R to the power A की value minus 3 by 2, rho to the power B value minus 1 by 2, and S to the power C, value of C is 1 by 2. Then we can solve the equation nu equal to K, S to the power 1 by 2, R and rho having both negative powers, so it comes in the denominator, rho to the power 1 by 2 and R to the power 3 by 2. Power 1 by 2 means under root, then nu equal to K under root S upon rho to the power R to the power 3. Now student, we are taking another question. The escape velocity of a body depends upon acceleration of gravity of the planet G, radius of the planet R. Here escape velocity V depends upon, that means V directly proportional to G and R. Put the power A and B for our solution. V equal to, when proportional sign is removing, put the constant K. V equal to K, G to the power A, R to the power B. Write the dimension of V, G and R. V velocity, m0, l1, t minus 1. Acceleration, m0, l1, t minus 2. And radius, simple radius, then m0, l1, t 0. Put all the dimensions in the formula. Here get V m0, l1, t minus 1 equal to K, dimension of G, m0, l1, t minus 2 power A, dimension of radius R, m0, l1, t0 power B. m0, l1, t minus 1 equal to K, L to the power A, t to the power minus 2A from solution, and L to the power B. When base are same, power B added, that's why K equal to m0, l1, t minus 1 equal to K, L to the power A plus B and t to the power minus 2A. Comparing the powers from both the sides, we got A plus B equal to 1, L to the power A plus B, here L to the power 1. So comparing the A plus B equal to 1, here t to the power minus 2A, on this side t to the power minus 1, comparing minus 2A equal to minus 1. Solve, cut the minus from both the sides, A equal to 1 by 2. Put the value of A in equation first, got the value of B 1 by 2. Putting the value of both A and B in the equation, we get V equal to K G to the power, here value of A is 1 by 2, G to the power 1 by 2 and value of B is 1 by 2. Put the value of R here 1 by 2. Then our solution is V equal to K G to the power 1 by 2, R to the power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 means under root. So student, we got V equal to K under root RG. From this we can find the relationship between the physical quantities. There are so many questions on this topic. We can solve further in further classes, or I will give you assignment to solve the question. Thank you for today. Thank you, students.